high school ako, sobrang saya ko na nagkaroon ako ng mga genuine friends na katulad ng mga friends ko that time. And yung sinasabi nilang word na best friend, talagang pinanindigan nyo ng mga kaibigan ko. Kasi through thick and thin talaga, magkakasama talaga kami. And hanggang ngayon, maipagmamalaki ko. Yung mga best friends ko since high school, hanggang ngayon best friends ko pa rin sila.
Hello everyone! Episode 3 of Beyond the Bridge is coming. I'm looking back on my teenage years, the friendship that shaped me, the lessons that challenged me, the moments that made me stronger, and the experiences that helped me become the woman I am today. So join me as we continue the journey with episode 3, Crossing the Bridge of Adolescence. I'm Bridge and I'll meet you on the other side of the bridge. Stay tuned at 10 p.m. today. I will be uploading the full episode on my YouTube and Spotify channel. Thank you so much.